careful when you go out at night. A horror face can scare the hell out of you. Do not stop to inspect large animal remains on the road, especially at night. If your surroundings suddenly take on a deep red hue, do not look for the source. You are witnessing his arrival. Do not mistake its shy posture for anxiety. It is a predator gauging your awareness. Break line of sight slowly and retreat. To survive the small room, the key is to avoid entering it in the first place. Once inside, escape is extremely difficult. It's best to avoid direct confrontation and try to stay as far away as possible. If faced with the lamb, focus on minimizing psychic damage by attempting to distract or disorient it. Public safety alert. The entity under bridges uses a friendly mask as a proximity law. The safe engagement distance has been determined to be 0. Constantly vigilant about your surroundings when using public transportation and avoid getting trapped inside. Park safety protocol. If a slide feels organic, cautiously pierce its surface. The release of any biological fluid confirms a predatory mimic. If the highway ahead shimmers unnaturally under your headlights, or your tires suddenly feel like they're on soft earth instead of asphalt, reverse. The entity hunts by first corrupting your senses. If the colors in your vision begin to bleed together or oversaturate, he's already there. Incident reports confirm this entity hunts by light and sound. Do not illuminate or speak. Its answering scream is fatal, with no known survivors from previous encounters. Avoid abandoned buildings and shopping malls. Seek cover if spotted, and never attempt to fight it with bare hands. When see a giant Big Charlie, don't worry, I won't hurt you. Run away and call 911. The cause of recent hiker disappearances has been linked to an entity mimicking deer. Do not be fooled by its familiar shape. Don't run, facing this giant creature and go backward. Since it's a ritual, understanding its nature and the conditions that summon it might be key. Don't go into a house without an invitation. Stay clear of all civil defense speakerphones, especially after dark. If you hear an unscheduled siren, do not run blindly. Its primary hunting tactic is to use sound to confuse your sense of direction. Beware of human-like figures moving erratically or remaining strangely silent. They may be decoys. Do not approach. Warning, the chimney head entity is giant and extremely dangerous. If sighted, or upon seeing its black smoke, shelter indoors immediately. The smoke is toxic and radioactive. Extinction level alert. The entity precursion of the First War, a geological scale threat, is confirmed. All defenses are ineffective. Avoid screaming or hostile actions. Remain silent, stay motionless, and do not make direct eye contact. Don't go out alone in Ohio. Don't scream alone in Ohio. Run as fast as you can. You are safe. The creature will protect you. Don't visit strange lighthouse without permission. Stay quiet. I may not notice you. The arrival has been sighted. It hunts using sound and ground vibrations. Cease all movement, maintain absolute silence. Celestial threat alert. An unidentified object of immense scale on an inbound trajectory. Prepare essential resources. Secure your shelter. If you encounter one, it is best to avoid direct confrontation and seek shelter or concealment. Seek immediate shelter in buildings with grounded lightning rods. Stay away from windows and upper floors. Warning regarding an unidentified organic mass. Do not touch, consume, or approach. It is capable of assimilating matter and is infectious. Run away when you see the giant teeth. Don't go into random cave. What out of the radioactive, and always have radioactive hazardous suit at home. Avoid large, open areas and seek shelter in robust structures or underground. If you see breaking news, immediately move in the opposite direction, prioritizing distance and concealment. If see a giant, multiple head tree creature, do not hide, run fast to a strong building or deep cave. It is not known to attack or harm people, so surviving it involves simply ignoring its presence and allowing it to observe. There may have an earthquake. Run outside your house. Just give up. This is the end. Pray to the god why to destroy the Earth's surface. Stay calm. It will be okay. It will be fast.